Alright.
Mommy, I'm painting.
What are you painting?
Christmas tree.
What else you did? What was the other project you did?
Oh, it's a picture frame.
What picture are you going to put in there?
Me and Santa Claus and Reindeer.
And who are you going to give it to?
Santa Claus.
So then he knows who you are?
Well, I just want a picture of me and Landon.
Oh. Cool. So you're going to leave that with the cookies?
Yeah.
Cool. I think you'd probably be the only kid who made a picture frame for Santa.
And then I'm gonna wrap a little present with these two in it.
Woo! Be fancy. I don't think Santa has ever gotten presents for Christmas.
And I'm gonna get those notes into the present.
Oh, your letters to Santa? How many letters did you write him?
2.
2? Cool.